So, perform po tayo today ng Sundance para hindi po umulan buong araw. Sana mawala yung ulan. Kung kailan full day yung tour namin, saka naman umulan, parang covered ng ulap yung buong skies. So, we'll see what's going to happen.
Tumila na yung ulan. Hindi ko nilalakasan para hindi ma-jinx.
It's sunny! First stop on today's itinerary is Chawa View Deck. It's a view deck na along the road na overlooking yung cliffs and the sea or the Pacific Ocean. So kung nakikita niyo yung background ko, sobrang ganda na, diba? So how much more pag nandun na tayo sa view deck. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Tayed Lighthouse. So, makikita nyo, marami sa paligid ko yung mga hedgerows. Sila yung mga wild na parang grass, na tall grasses na ginagamit for multiple purposes. So, yung primary na kanilang purpose ay demarcation sila sa mga boundaries ng mga farms ng mga ibatan. Maliban doon, it also prevents soil erosion. And itong grass na to, ginagamit din nila to bilang kogon, yung roof na ginagamit nila sa kanilang traditional houses. At nagagawa rin siyang nakul at yung mga traditional costumes nila. So, punta tayo dun ngayon sa lighthouse para makapag-picture at makakuha ng maraming videos and see the beauty of South Batanes. Third stop na pala to dapat today, Marlboro. Kaso, nabutan kami ng ulan. Magpapatila kami, sinusubukan namin kung kaya, pero mukhang hindi. So, ayun na nga po, nagtuloy-tuloy na po yung pag-ulan. Nandito kami ngayon sa San Carlos Borromeo Parish. According to Kuya Lowell, it was chosen as one of the 29 most iconic churches in the Philippines by the National Commission for Culture and the Arts because of its amazing preservation. Ito yung pangalawang church na naitayo dito sa Batanes. Register na. So ito yung Homoron Blue Lagoon. So dati daw exclusive ng paliguan to ng mga Espanyol na pare. Hindi masyado kalmado yung tubig kasi masama yung panahon. Pero kapag daw kalmado yung water, sobrang blue daw talaga nito, sabi ni Kuya Lowell. Siya lang ang tatanging natirang bahay na after nung magnitude 8.3 na lindol nung September 13, 1918. Okay, hindi ako nagmamagalay, nakasulat po yan dyan lahat. So, ito pa rin yung original na bahay, pati daw yung mga baul na nakikita natin dito, yun pa rin daw yung original na nandito. Sobrang tibay niya, kahit yung lindol, hindi kinaya ng lindol na itong batong bahay na to. So, naging tourist attraction na rin siya dito sa Ivan. Okay guys, second stop na namin to for our North Batanes Tour. Kanina nanggaling kami dun sa Vayang Rolling Hills. Ito ang aming second stop. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi sobrang lakas na naman ng hangin sa Rolling Hills at malamang hindi nyo na naman ako maririnig. So dito na lang ako nag-explain ng mga bagay-bagay. Medyo magkalapit lang sila kung may sasakyan ka, pero kung makita ka, syempre hindi. grande. Kasi mula dun sa Rolling Hills, kitang-kita mo tong lighthouse na to at ganito na lang siya maliit. Nighty lighthouse, guys. This is it, guys. We're leaving for Clark. Ito na ang huling mga sandali namin sa unang bisita namin dito sa Batanes, and it has been such a wonderful experience. Batanes is truly breathtaking. May mga friends ako na nagsasabi na it's just another overrated destination, and that's just not true. Sobrang ganda ng lugar na to, and I encourage everyone to really ipon kayo or mag-abang kayo ng seat sale. Sadyain niyo yung Batanes kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga, guys. So you really have to check it out.
Sa buong buhay ko, wala sa hinagap ko na mararating ko ang Batanes. It used to be just a dream destination for me and my family. Buti na lang uso na ngayon ng mga seat sale. We got seat sale tickets from PAL for our Batanes trip for only 4,000 pesos per person. Round trip na yon. So kung ako sa inyo, kung gusto nyo rin marating ng Batanes, abang-abang lang tayo at tsaga-tsaga lang tayo magpuwet sa mga seat sale because dreams can actually come true. If you guys want to experience Batanes as well, I would highly recommend that you check in at Bernardo's Landia Hotel for great yet affordable accommodation. Sila na rin ang kinausap namin para sa aming mga tours, and we got a pretty good deal for our 5 days, 4 nights stay na may kasamang 3 days na tour. I have provided the contact details of Bernardo's Landia, but if you missed it or if you don't want to go back and skip back to that part of the video, here it is so that you can contact them for your reservations and other inquiries. That's it, guys. Thank you for sticking until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, or subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I upload new content. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts na nagsa-flash ngayon sa inyong screens. Once again, this is still your Bicolanong Lakwachero, ang Bicolanong hindi mahilig sa manghang pero mahilig maglakwatsa. Until our next adventure, guys, I will see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!